Good morning, all of you. Students, how are you? Yes, I'm also fine. So, in our previous classes, we have learned about the multiplication of integers, the properties of multiplications of integer, and also we have solved the exercise question answers of multiplication of integers. Right now, so today we will discuss about division of integers. Right now, division of integers and properties of division of integers. So H we have learned there are two rules of multiplication of integers. Like that, there are two rules for division of integers also. So, and what are the two rules? Here, look at here. Rule number 1. So it states that division of two different signs integers is their value with a minus sign to the value. So what does it mean? तो इसका मतलब ये है कि दो ठो डिफरेंट साइन इंटीजर को हम अगर डिवाइड करते हैं, ठीक है, दो ठो डिफरेंट साइन इंटीजर को हम अगर डिवाइड करते हैं तो उसका जो वैल्यू मिलेगा उनमें एक माइनस साइन होगा. राइट नाउ, सो फॉर दिस हियर I have chosen two different sign integer, that is one is 4 and another one is minus 2. Look at here, 4 having plus sign and 2 having minus sign. If we divide 4 by minus 2, then we will get 4 divided by 2, that is 2, and we will put a negative sign as per the rule. ये रूल के हिसाब से कि हम अगर दो ठो डिफरेंट साइन इंटीजर को डिवाइड करते हैं, जैसे कि 4 प्लस साइन है और 2 का माइनस साइन है, दो ठो डिफरेंट साइन इंटीजर्स को डिवाइड करते हैं, जो रिजल्ट मिलता है उसमें एक माइनस साइन लगता है. राइट नाउ हियर ऑल्सो 6 डिवाइड बाय 3 इट इज 2 एंड ऑल्सो विल पुट अ माइनस साइन इन फ्रंट ऑफ 2. राइट नाउ नेक्स्ट come to rule number 2. So it states that division of two same sign integer, division of two same sign integers is their value with a plus sign to the value. इसका मतलब क्या है कि दो ठो अगर सेम साइन इंटीजर को डिवाइड करते हैं तो जो रिजल्ट आएगा और रिजल्ट में जो नंबर मिलेगा उसका साइन क्या होगा? प्लस होगा, पॉजिटिव साइन होगा. राइट नाउ, तो let us discuss with examples. Here the first example is 8 divided by 2. So 8 divided by 2, that is 4, and 4 is having plus sign. Right now, so next come to example 2. 10 divided by 2. We know that 10 divided by 2, then the result will be 5 and the sign of 5 will be plus 5. Next come to example 3. Look at here, minus 8 डिवाइडेड बाय माइनस 4. तो यहाँ देखो 8 का साइन भी माइनस है और 4 का साइन भी माइनस है. सो दीज आर टू सेम साइन इंटीजर्स. राइट नाउ इफ minus 8 is divided by minus 4, then we will get just like 8 divided by 4 we will get 2, and also the sign of the 2 will be plus sign as per the rule. Right now, next come to number IV. Minus 18 divided by minus 3. As we know, 18 divided by 3, that is 6, and here minus divided minus will be plus. Right now, minus divided by minus it will be plus. Right now, तो ये जो यहाँ लिखा है 4 डिवाइड बाय माइनस 2, हम इसको इस तरह भी लिख सकते हैं 4 बाय माइनस 2, और रिजल्ट में क्या होगा? माइनस 2. एंड नीचे जो लिखा है माइनस 6 डिवाइडेड बाय 3, दैट इज़ माइनस. हम दोनों तरह से लिख सकते हैं. नीचे भी यहाँ लिखा है माइनस 8 डिवाइड बाय माइनस 4, इसको हम इस तरह भी लिख सकते हैं माइनस 8 डिवाइड बाय माइनस 4, दैट विल बी 4 1 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8, it will be 2, minus minus cancel. Right now, here also minus 18 divided by minus 3, minus minus cancel, 3 1 ja 3, 3 6 ja 18, right now. So students, next let us discuss about the property of division of integers right now. So look at here, look at the first property. It states that division of integers is not necessarily an integer. इसका मतलब क्या है, हम लोग अगर दो ठो इंटीजर्स को डिवाइड करते हैं देन द रिज़ल्ट जो मिलेगा रिज़ल्ट वो इंटीजर्स हो सकता है एंड हो नहीं भी सकता है. फॉर एग्जांपल इफ़ वी डिवाइड 5 by 2 then what will happen, we'll write 5 by 2 and the value of 5 by 2 will be 2.5. right now look at here, 2.5 is not an integer, 2.5 is not an integer, so it is a decimal number right now. But look at here, if we divide 10 by 5 then we will get 2. तो यहाँ देख रहे हैं कि हम लोग क्या हो रहा है, दो ठो इंटीजर को डिवाइड करने से एक इंटीजर मिल रहा है, बट हियर इन दिस केस दोनों इंटीजर को डिवाइड करने से क्या मिल रहा है, एक डेसिमल वैल्यू मिल रहा है. एज पर द प्रॉपर्टी दैट डिवीजन ऑफ इंटीजर्स इज़ नॉट नेसेसरीली एन इंटीजर, मतलब इंटीजर्स का डिवीजन में इंटीजर मिल सकता है और मिल नहीं भी सकता है. राइट नाउ नेक्स्ट कम टू सेकेंड प्रॉपर्टी. सो इट स्टेट दैट division of same integers will come to 1, like a by a is equal to 1. We can write in this way also, a division a is equal to 1. इसका मतलब ये है कि हम अगर दो ठो सेम इंटीजर को डिवाइड करते हैं, जैसे कि a एंड a दोनों सेम इंटीजर को डिवाइड करने से हमें क्या मिलता है, 1. लुक एट हियर, इफ वी डिवाइड 3 by 3 both are same, so we will get 1. right now if we divide minus 5 by minus 5 then also we will get 1. and look at here if we divide minus 6 by minus 6 also we will get 1. and in this case also 11 divided by 11 we will get 1. right now next come to third property. So it is written here, any integer divided by 1 is same integer. Any integer divided by 1 is the same integer. इसका मतलब क्या है कि कोई भी इंटीजर को हम 1 में डिवाइड करते हैं देन हम लोग क्या पाएंगे, वही सेम इंटीजर पाएंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल लुक एट हियर, a डिवाइड बाय 1 विल गेट a, सेम इंटीजर. a divided by 1 we will also get a. right now so let us discuss with example. If we divide 7 by 1 we will get the same integer, that is 7. if we divide minus 3 by 1 we will get minus 3. again if we divide minus 5 by 1 also we will get minus 5. right now next come to fourth property. so it states that any integer divided by 0 is meaningless, but if 0 divided by any integers then the value will be 0. it means हम अगर कोई भी इंटीजर को 0 में डिवाइड करते हैं देन उसका कोई मीनिंग नहीं रहता है, मीनिंगलेस है. बट हम 0 को अगर कई इंटीजर से डिवाइड करते हैं तो उसका वैल्यू क्या होता है, 0 हो जाता है. सो लुक एट द एग्जांपल्स. इफ वी विल डिवाइड 0 by 5 we can write in this way also, 0 by 5 then the value will be 0. look at here, we can write it in this way also, 0 by minus 3 then the value will be 0. but if we divide 2 by 0 then it is meaningless. right now here also minus 7 by 0 it will be meaningless. right now so next come to the fifth property, and it states that division of integers is not associative unless c is equal to 1, unless c is equal to 1. तो एक्चुअली क्या होगा, हम लोग ए बी सी तीन ठो इंटीजर चूज करना पड़ेगा. लेट ए बी एंड सी आर integers where c is not here a b c are integers, then a divided by b divided by c is not equal to a divided by b divided by c right now. So let us take a is equal to 8, b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 2 right now. So in this case what will we do? First of all we will divide 8 divided by 4. 8 divided by 4, that is 2. 2 divided by 2 is equal to, look at the right hand side here, 8 divided by, first of all we will do in the bracketed part, that is 4 divided by 2, that is 2 right now. Next 2 divided by 2, it will be 1, and here 8 divided by 2, it will be 4. Look at here, 1 is not equal to 4, so here also 2 divided by 2 is not equal to 8 divided by 2, and 8 divided by 4 divided by 2 is not equal to 8 divided by 4 divided by 2. So this property is proved. So we can write that a divided by b divided by c is not equal to a divided by b divided by c right now. For this number we can write 8 divided by 4 divided by 2 is not equal to 8 divided by 4 divided by 2 right now. So look at the second example. Here the value of a is minus 8, the value of b is minus 4, and the value of c is minus 2. So first of all we will do the bracketed part, that is minus 8 divided by minus 4, it will be 2 because both are same sign integers, so we will get the result with a plus sign. Next 2 divided by minus 2 is equal to, look at the right hand side here, minus 8 divided by, we will first do the bracketed part, that is minus 4 divided by minus 2, the result will be 2 having a plus sign because both are same sign integers right now. Come to the next step, 2 divided by minus 2, so we will get 2 divided by 2, that is 1 having a minus sign because two different sign integers. And look at here, minus 8 divided by 2, that is 8 divided by 2, 4 having minus sign because both are two different sign integers. So look at here, minus 1 is not equal to minus 4, so 2 divided by minus 2 is not equal to minus 8 divided by 2. Here also left hand side is not equal to the right hand side, so we can write that minus 8 divided by minus 4 divided by minus 2 is not equal to minus 8 divided by minus 4 divided by minus 2 right now. Next look at the sixth property, that is if a, b, c are non-zero integers, if a, b and c are non-zero integers and a is greater than b, a is greater than b, then a division c, a divided by c is greater than b divided by c if c is positive, if c is positive. So look at here, here I will take the value of a is equal to 6 and b is equal to 4. Look at here, 6 is greater than 4, here a is greater than b, and the value of c is plus 2 where c is positive Right now C is positive. Then we will get A division C is greater than B division C. So let us do A division C. It means 6 division the value of C, that is 2. 6 division 2. Here we will get 6 division 2, that is 3, greater than B division C, that is 4 division 2. And also we know that 4 division 2, 4 divided by 2, that is 2. Here 3 is greater than 2. So here this property is also proved, that is A division C is greater than B division C, where C is equal to positive. C is a positive integer. Right now, so come to the next part, that is A division C is smaller than or less than B division C if C is negative. If C is negative. So look at here. A is equal to 6, B is equal to 4. Here also A is greater than B, but the value of C is a negative value, that is C is equal to minus 2. So what will happen? Here A divided by C is less than B divided by C. So let us do. For A we will write 6 division, for C it will be minus 2, and the value of 6 division minus 2, that is 6 division 2 is equal to 3 with a negative sign. Here B division C, that is the value of B, 4 division minus 2, that is 4 division minus 2, it will be 4 division 2 with a negative sign. Look at here, minus 2 is greater than minus 3. Here also 6 division minus 2 is less than 4 division minus 2. Right now, so this property is also proved, that is A division C is less than B division C, where C is equal to a negative value. Right now, so these are all properties of division of integers. Right now, students, in our next class we will discuss a few word problems which are about the division of integers. This is all about for today. Thank you.